Alright, I wanted to make a quick video on this Defiant Electronic Deadbolt. No matter what I did, it would not work properly. It was always going backwards. It thinks that the door is locked. You hit the lock button and it would not come out like that. You can see that I have now fixed it. So you hit the lock button and it comes out, and you hit the open button and it moves in. But it would not work that way. The way I fixed it is that I had to turn this thing sideways, because basically the electronics think that when this thing is horizontal that it's open, and when it's well, in this case vertical to this, relative to this, when it's vertical it's unlocked, and when it's horizontal it is locked. You see, the deadbolt I have turned sideways, so normally it would be up and down, right? But I have it turned sideways, and the problem with that is that there's this bracket that this thing attaches to. It had like a cross in here, so you could turn this to 90 degrees and it would still fit into the pin or the post from the deadbolt. And you know, the deadbolt basically is always vertical when it's unlocked and horizontal when it's locked, and so this thing would always get it wrong. So the only way I could fix it is by rotating this 90 degrees, and the difficulty with that is that the deadbolt, you can see I could only fit one screw in. The upper screw, the upper screw, I can't fit it because the deadbolt mechanism is blocking access to that screw, so I could only put one screw in. I thought about trying to make this put it this way, but I thought about different ways, but this is really the way I did it, and it works. It's just I only get one screw holding in the deadbolt. So you just put this in, and now it's essentially rotated 90 degrees, so it works properly. All right, well, I hope that helps somebody. I know I was extremely frustrated, so I thought I'd just make a video on how I fixed it. All right, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Thanks.